Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about Vivo X100 price, full specifications leaked ahead of November 13th series launch. Let's talk about the highlights of the mobile. The Vivo X100 could come with a 32-megapixel front camera. The handset is said to sport a 64-megapixel periscope lens. The Vivo X100 may offer 120 watts wired fast charging and is expected to launch in 4 storage variant. Technical specifications. The upcoming Vivo X100 is said to sport a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2800 by 1260 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The phone will be powered by a 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 9300 SoC paired with LPDDR5 and also said to have a 5000 mAh battery with UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. The phone is tipped to support Bluetooth 5.4, IR sensor, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. Android 14 OriginOS for Vivo X100 series is set to launch in China on November 13th. According to a 91 Mobile's report, the Vivo X100 is expected to be offered in 4 storage variants: 12GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and 16GB plus 1TB. The price of the phone is likely to start at 3,999 Chinese yuans, roughly 45,600 rupees. The model is said to be available in black, blue, orange, and white color options. Are you guys excited for its launch? Let's hope so.